So Stout started as an R&D arm for a large grower shipper based out of Salinas, California, to help address some of the challenges with both labor and weeding, cultivating. So Stout was built for that reason, and today we have tons of machines out throughout the world, and we've been in operation for about 5 years now. So the Stout Smart Cultivator is exactly that. It's a smart cultivator, so it cultivates your entire bed top, which is a traditional farming practice, specifically for vegetable crop. Our AI understands what the plant is, what the weed is, and the actuators will open and close around the plant to cultivate and eliminate all the weeds. So it solves a labor challenge along with the challenge of chemical inputs. So the Smart Cultivator is a cultivator that operates both day and night, and the process of cultivation, so it cultivates around the plant, your keeper plant, cultivating in between the row, which is historically always has not been done. It's always been cultivation in between the lines, not in between plant to plant. And so now with the Smart Cultivator, the process of true AI vision, our vision system is able to identify what the plant is, what the weed is, cultivate the weed out and keep the plant, and again, cultivates at about 1.5 miles, so you're covering about an acre and a half an hour with our small chassis and about 3 acres with our larger chassis. What makes our solution unique is that Stout was born inside of a large grower shipper. We were born through a farming company inside of a farming operation, as opposed to tech-based first, then approaching the farmer, which is extremely unique in this ag tech space because typically you see a lot of the tech companies coming to the farmers trying to implement something that's not part of a typical normal practice, where our birth really was born inside of a farming operation. Yeah, Stout contributes to sustainability and the practice of sustainability by cultivation without using chemical inputs, without needing to use herbicides, pesticides, some of the stuff that stunts growth of the plant, and obviously eventually goes to the stores and we eventually eat. So this is no chemical use. It's cultivation, again, a normal farming practice.